Did the 2011 debt ceiling crisis cause a spike in gold prices? I asked my genius advisor, and he says, yes. The 2011 debt ceiling crisis did cause a significant spike in gold prices. During the crisis, there was a great deal of uncertainty and concern about the potential for the United States to default on its debt obligations. This uncertainty led many investors to seek out safe haven assets like gold as a way to protect their wealth. In the weeks leading up to the crisis, gold prices rose steadily, reaching a peak of around $1,900 per ounce in September, which was a record high at the time. After a last-minute deal was reached to raise the debt ceiling and avoid a default, gold prices retreated somewhat, but remained at historically high levels for several years. The key takeaway is gold generally performs well during chaos. Right now, we're faced with another default cliff, but this isn't like the 2011 debt ceiling crisis. Over the past few years, there has been a consistent pattern of bungling major crises. And although no one can rightly say there's 100% certainty of anything, it does seem like there's a better than 50% chance this gets bungled also. Realistically, at this point, I would expect an 11th hour deal to temporarily raise the ceiling to buy time for continued negotiations. This all breeds chaos, uncertainty, and doubt. All good things for gold. There's no way I'm selling my physical stack on a sharp move up. That's for 5 or 10 years out. On a sharp move down, I'll probably add to my stack. We'll have to see how this plays out, but as for me, I've already bought SLV and GLD, the paper ETFs that I know some of you don't like. Hey, look, if it makes me money, I like it. But when you've got bills to pay, you have to keep playing this game of musical chairs. It's a way to catch a quick move up and get out, hopefully with more than was put in. And just so you know, this is not financial advice. I'm just a guy on the internet, and I do make mistakes frequently. Don't do what I do. This is just what I'm doing. If you stuck around till now, then thanks for watching. I hope you're enjoying my content. If you are, please consider subscribing to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. Until next time, take care, and don't take any wooden nickels.